McDonald's is officially replacing drive-thru workers with AI. Your next trip through McDonald's may look drastically different. After a notoriously messy first attempt at automated ordering that left customers with unexpected items on their tabs, the fast food giant is shifting toward a new AI system for its drive-thrus. This time, McDonald's has teamed up with Google to unveil Archie, a new AI assistant that also serves as a restaurant master brain. At its McDonald's Worldwide Convention, the company unveiled plans for a new AI-powered operating system across its restaurants. The announcement comes nearly 2 years after McDonald's ended its IBM-backed drive-thru AI trial, which had been tested in more than 100 locations, but faced customer complaints over ordering errors. Despite those challenges, McDonald's continued pursuing voice ordering technology and broader AI solutions. Currently being tested in select restaurants, the system is designed to handle complex orders more accurately than previous versions. According to commentary shared by franchise observers on X, one post from @McFranchisee noted, "Every McDonald's in the US is getting their Google Edge Cloud Blades installed in anticipation of this rollout," adding that Archie has processed over 1 million transactions, with about 90% of orders completed without human escalations. Early demonstrations show Archie processing orders in both English and Spanish, highlighting improvements in accuracy and consistency. Beyond taking orders, the AI is also designed to support restaurant operations. As @McFranchisee explained, Archie will not only assist drive-thru orders, but act as a master brain to help managers run a better restaurant. It's like a personal assistant that alerts you to potential bottlenecks or issues. If fully implemented, Archie could help managers monitor operations and address inefficiencies in real time. For now, ArchIQ is being tested in just 5 restaurants, with McDonald's yet to reveal their locations or a broader rollout timeline. However, reports that Google Edge infrastructure is being installed across US locations suggest plans for wider expansion if testing succeeds. While Archie's future remains uncertain, McDonald's is clearly making another major investment in AI technology.